Welcome back. For diesel drivers, there are some simple things you already know about engine maintenance. Time now for this month's Things You Need to Know segment with Hazel Marie.
I'm always excited when I get to travel, especially to Effingham. I'm here at Scheid Diesel with my new friend Cris. Cris, thanks so much for having me.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness, I love the smell of what is this, diesel in the air?
Yeah, diesel.
I mean,
a lot of people walk in the door and they really like the smell of that.
I mean, I just feel powerful standing here. I don't know why, but I'm glad I'm here. And I love that we're doing this segment where it's the things you need to know, because I'm honestly, when it comes to diesel, I have no clue. But since we've been doing these, I just feel so knowledgeable. And there's something that I've been hearing about, this Insight monitor. What exactly is it?
Edge makes an Insight monitor. They have the CS, which is a color screen, and then also for the bigger display is a color touch screen, the CTS monitor. What they do is they monitor different parameters of the engine, so you can monitor exhaust temperatures, boost, battery, transmission temperature, fuel pressure, anything that the computer would normally read. The Insight monitor plugs into the OBDII port and picks that up and reads it also, so you can put it on the display.
How cool is that? Like, seriously, I mean, technology is coming so far where it's like a little computer that reads everything, right?
Yeah, it is. It's getting easier and easier all the time. You know, we used to have analog gauges that took a lot more time to install, and you had to drill and tap different ports where you wanted to pick up readings. And engines today, they already monitor all this, and we can just plug into the diagnostic port and pick up all that and read it. So very, very handy.
I mean, it really is. And why is it important that people get one of these Insight monitors?
To protect your engine. Typically, they're adding horsepower to them. They're towing campers and whatnot. And you want to monitor your exhaust temperatures, boost, transmission temperature, things like that. It's very important to help save the life of the engine or transmission as well. So,
and you're saving money as long with that, you know, because you're monitoring everything. Because who wants to waste all this money when you have this beautiful machinery, right?
Correct, yeah.
So how long is the process to put one in? Because I know a lot of people, you roll in, you're waiting 10,000 hours, but how long does this take?
Typical installation would be an hour and a half max. You can do one in 30 minutes pretty much. It just depends on what all you want to tie into and look at. But
and do you have to call to make an appointment, or could you just roll on through?
It'd be best to call and make an appointment. We do stock the product on the shelf. All the CS and CTS monitors we have in stock here at our Effingham and Terre Haute locations. So.
And before we wrap up, you know, I know a lot of viewers are watching. They're like, well, what's the difference? You know, maybe I can just go and research and purchase one somewhere else. But why is it important that, you know, people come here to purchase it? And what's the difference between, you know, this one and, let's say, other monitors?
The Edge has a very good redefined product, and the customer support's why you would want to purchase off of a business like us. So,
I mean, you guys are pretty amazing. I mean, as soon as you walk through this door, you're greeted, everybody's so friendly, and you smell power, which is what I love.
Yes, raw power.
Exactly. Where can folks find you guys? This location?
This location here is the Effingham location. It's 3120 South Banker, Effingham, Illinois. We are on South Route 45, just south of Rural King.
Hours of operation?
We're Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.
And then if you want anything, just give you guys a call, right?
Yes, that's correct.
All right. Cris, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I feel more knowledgeable. I think now I might have to purchase a diesel.
It'll be a lot cooler if you did.
I know, right? Guys, stick with us. We have plenty more to come on Good Day Live.